So let's make inductance and capacitance in Tinkercad. Click circle. First, we're gonna put a breadboard small. Then let's put multimeter, 2 multimeters, and power supply. Power supply. Then let's put 2 resistors to rotate. Put it here. Then resistor 2. Then let's connect the wire. So negative is, let's put it to bottom. Let's put in the negative to negative. Then the positive, ay, negative first. Negative, negative. Then after that, let's put a capacitor. Then let's connect it to resistor 2. Then connect to negative. Then let's put a inductor. So put it here. Then the red. Then inductor. And then negative. Change color black. Then after that, let's connect the positive to the resistor 1. Change to red color. Then here let's connect to the positive. Then connect it here, positive to the multimeter. Let's connect it to the multimeter. Positive to positive. After that, let's put the wire here. This is for the negative wire. So we're almost there. So let's put the power supply. Let's put the voltage to 15 volts. Then current is 10. Then the resistor 1 is 6 ohms. 6. Then the resistor 2 is 2. Then let's put capacitor 2, 4. Then the inductor 6. So let's try if this work. It's working. I forgot a wire. Stop. Let's put a wire here. Then let's try again. So that's how to that's all. Thank you.